Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening TikTok and going straight to Inbox. This gets you into chats fast. Once there, tap Messages or the specific conversation with the person you want to voice message. Make sure your device granted TikTok microphone permission before recording, because without it you cannot capture audio. If permissions are missing, exit to Settings, enable microphone, then return. This prepares the chat and hardware so you can record without interruptions and avoids wasting time troubleshooting mid-recording. Now tap the microphone icon or press and hold the record button in the chat to begin. Speak clearly and at a steady pace. Short messages under 60 seconds are easier to listen to and usually supported. While recording, monitor background noise, move to a quieter spot if needed. Once done, release the button or tap the on-screen stop control, then listen to the preview so you can confirm tone and clarity. If it sounds good, hit send. If not, re-record immediately for a cleaner message. Finish by sending the voice note. Tap send and the message will upload to the chat. If you change your mind, long press the draft or sent message to delete. This helps manage mistakes. Once sent, you can also confirm delivery visually in the thread. If you encounter problems, no sound or failed upload, first check microphone permission and that TikTok is updated. Next, restart the app or device. If issues persist, reconnect to Wi-Fi or mobile data and try again. That usually resolves upload failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.